Matrices for class 12. Skew symmetric matrix. A square matrix is said to be skew symmetric matrix if A is equal to A, square matrix A is equal to Aij is called skew symmetric matrix when A dash is equal to A dash means A transpose is equal to minus A. Minus A, that is Aij is equal to minus Aji for all possible I and j. For all possible I and j. Now, when I is equal to j, then what do I get? I get Aii is equal to minus Aii in case of skew symmetric matrix. Okay, that means twice of Aii is equal to 0. That means, what is Aii? That means element A11, A22, A33 like that. These are all diagonal elements for all I. The diagonal elements of a skew symmetric matrix is always 0. Diagonal elements of a skew symmetric matrix is always 0. Now, suppose here will be 0. A is a matrix. This is that is 0, 0. Diagonal elements is 0. All diagonal elements are 0. It is 4, 6, 8 here and minus 4, minus 6, minus 8 here. A transpose is what? You change the rows into columns and columns into rows. That is 0, 4, 6. It becomes 0, 4, 6, minus 4, 0, 8 and minus 6, minus 8, 0. Okay. Then I take minus sign common from every element. Then I get A transpose is minus 0, 4, 6 because minus sign will go out, and then minus 4, 0, 8, minus 6, minus 8, 0. So therefore A transpose is equal to minus of 8. Okay. We are going to do the theorem, that is a square matrix always can be expressed as a sum of a symmetric matrix and a skew symmetric matrix. Okay, that is a square matrix can be expressed as the sum of a symmetric matrix and a symmetric and a skew symmetric matrix. Here I can write here matrix and a skew symmetric matrix. Okay, let A be a square matrix. Let A be a square matrix. So I can write A is equal to half of A plus A transpose plus half of A minus A transpose. Now you add this minus half plus half A transpose minus half A transpose will be cancelled, and half A plus half A is A. The resultant is the same. Okay. Now let this part A is equal to be P. Half A plus A transpose is equal to P. Then, and this should be equal to Q. I am just naming these two. Let half of A plus A transpose is equal to P. Then P transpose is equal to what? Half of A plus A transpose whole transpose. Okay. P transpose is the whole transpose. When I write whole transpose, that is, it is a scalar. K transpose is always K. I have told you earlier. That is, half will remain as it is and A plus A transpose whole raised to the power half transpose. Now when I change, this we have done already. A K in A whole transpose is equal to K A transpose. K cannot be transposed because it is a scalar. So now I write half A transpose plus of A. That is it again. I write in the proper form. This is P. This is P. That is P dash is equal to P. So P is a symmetric matrix. P is a symmetric matrix. Okay. And Q dash is equal to half of A minus A transpose whole transpose. Again, half transpose is half only. And A transpose is here A transpose minus transpose of a transpose is the matrix itself. I take minus sign common. I take minus sign common. Half A minus A transpose is equal to, that is Q dash is equal to Q minus Q. That is, therefore, I can write Q is a symmetric matrix. Therefore, now I write, therefore, Q is Q symmetric matrix. Therefore, A is equal to P plus Q. A is equal to P plus Q. Okay, P plus Q. Thus, any square matrix can be expressed as the sum of a symmetric matrix and a skew symmetric matrix. Yes, that means now we always remember that is a sum of a square, that is a square matrix can be expressed as a symmetric matrix and a skew symmetric matrix, sum of them. Question number 1. Express 3, 5, 1 minus 1 as the sum of the symmetric and a skew symmetric matrix. Okay. Now, let A be 3, 5, 1 minus 1. Okay. Now we have learnt earlier in the theorem that is A is equal to half of A plus A dash. A dash is the A transpose, which we say P, and half of A minus A dash, that is equal to, we say Q. Okay. Now 3 plus 3, 5, 1 minus 1. So same way I put the value of A, that is half 3, 5, 1 minus 1 plus 3, 5, 1 minus 1. That is, and plus half 3, 5, 1 minus 1 minus 3, 5, 1 minus 1 whole transpose. It is transpose, that is transpose. Okay. That is equal to half. And we change into transpose here. So 3, 5, 1 minus 1, 3, 1, 5 minus 1. We have just transposed. Okay, same way I do it. Half 3, 5, 1 minus 1 minus 3, 1, 5 minus 1. Okay. Now here, that is half. We add these two. With 3 plus 3 is 6. 5 plus 1 is 6. And 5 plus 1 again 6. And minus 1 and minus 1 minus 2. Okay. So, and plus, when we add this, 3 minus 3 is 0. Okay. And 5 minus 1 is 4. Okay. And 1 minus 5 is minus 4. And minus 1 and minus of minus 1 is 0 here. Okay. So, I make it half. That is, it is 3, 3, 3 minus 1. And this is 0, 2, minus 2, 0. Okay. Then I have to prove prove that this is P, this portion is P and this portion is Q. I have to prove it is a symmetric and I have to prove this is a skew symmetric. Now, this I transpose. When I get this, that is again I get the same matrix, that is 3 minus 1, that is P transpose is equal to P, that is symmetric matrix, and Q is equal to Q dash, I do it 0 2 minus 2 0, 0 2 minus 2 0 is 0 minus 2 and 2 0, and I take again minus sign common, then it is 0 2 minus 2 0, then I get it as minus Q. So it is a skew symmetric matrix. So sum of these two is equal to the original matrix. Just you add it is 3 plus 0 is 3, 5 plus this is 3 plus 0 is 3, 3 plus 2 is 5, 3 minus 2 is 1, and minus 1 and minus 1 it is 0. Okay, so these are the sum of two symmetric and skew symmetric matrix.